I put vinegar in the toilet and look what happened. Have you ever imagined what happens when you add vinegar to the toilet? In this video, I will show you why you should do this at least once. When I did this, I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this technique anywhere else. You will go crazy when you know it. I don't know if you're like me, but I like to leave the toilet clean and smelly. That way I feel more comfortable. I'm sure you wash the toilet often, but what you probably don't know is that the deposit also accumulates a lot of dirt and salt, which end up staining the corners of the toilet when you flush it. A lot of people, like me, are having a similar situation, so I'll share the secret with you. To do this, the first thing you should do is close the door so that no more water enters the deposit. Then you pull the toilet so that all the water comes out and is empty. Here I have a little white vinegar that I poured into a sifter. Now I'm going to spray all over the deposit, especially in the upper part where the water doesn't reach. Then we fill the deposit with 500 milliliters of white vinegar. We also add 2 liters of water and so on until it is completely filled. After this, you should wait about 2 hours. This will depend on how dirty the deposit is. Once the time passes, we take an old toothbrush and pass it through the hole in the deposit. Then we fill the deposit with 500 milliliters of white vinegar. Once the time passes, we take an old toothbrush and pass it through all the edges of the toilet. You will notice that the dirt will go away easily. When you have done this, the water in the deposit will be cloudy. This is the dirt that came off the deposit. We pull the toilet again so that the dirty water comes out. All that remains is to open the key again to fill it again. You will notice that it will be like new. Today's special greeting is for Flowery Aguilar from Guatemala and for Clarabelle Cabrera from Cuba. Thank you for watching us. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive some special advice, let me know below. I am always reading your suggestions. So far today's video, I say goodbye, wishing you the richest blessings.